Alright people, I'm back at the tilt, getting ready to wash the cars. I got a question about using this portable water bottle, wash your cars with, see if it works. It works great. This probably gonna be the third time, but I figured I'll film it this time. So you can see, car is dirty, I stripped them down. Got my WD-40, my Simple Grizzly, Simple Green, and got my Black Magic bearing oil with me, and a couple brushes, stuff like that. So this is how I strip them down. I did another video, but I'll show you. I strip them down, you know, take the tank out, of course your engine and your electronics. You can take your center diff out if you like. It's up to you. I'm getting ready to do all the bearings all over since I got time. All the races got canceled, so I'm taking them out anyway, so it doesn't matter. But first thing, oh, and also take off your wing too. First thing, you want to get a brush, you know, regular paintbrush. Now this is a which one is this? Ultimate Racing one. I mean, it's good, but any paintbrush should do. You know, you want to get those big chunks off first. You know what I mean? If you got any big chunks, get that off first. All right, with your big brush. Don't use this to wash the car with. All right. Then you're gonna get your scrub brush, hose it down, this and that. What I found best with this, if you get the adjustable head, the mist setting right there works best. It saves you water, and it still washes the cars down good. All right. Also gonna clean the practice bodies up because they got dirty from last run. That's it. So I'm getting ready to put the GoPro on, that way I can really get busy with this thing. I probably should have took the shocks off, but that's all right because I'm taking them off anyway, doing the shock fluids over, so it's all good. Not really a big deal. I can see he's a little dirty, you know what I mean? All right, so let me mount the GoPro and let's get busy. Got my handy dandy homemade stand. All right, I'll be right back on the GoPro. All right, people, I'm gonna start with the buggy first. Let's pump up the water. All right, and let's hose her down, get her wet. Okay. All right. Next, hit it with the Simple Green. Okay. Take our brush. Just clean it all out there. So we're gonna use this. All right. Do a little rinse, pump up the water. All right, pump up the water again. Get our air compressor. WD. Get in them bearings real quick. Blow all that out. And wipe it down like a baby. Oh, just like a baby. Then you take your bearing oil. They're smooth as butter. But we're gonna clean these bearings out though. Alright. Next up, truggy. Pump up the water. And notice, I have not refilled this. I have not refilled this water. Simple green. Okay. Pump up the water. Notice the water level, if y'all can see it. Okay. Pump up the water. Pump up the water. Air gun. Wipe it down like a baby. Bearing oil. Alright. Look at that. Smooth. Alright. Alright, people. Cleaned the cars up. And see, they're nice and clean. Smooth. That's how much water I had left. See that? That's how much water left. And they're good. You know what I mean? It works good. Works good. Like I said, use that mist setting. Popping. Now, I'm going to break these all down. I just want to clean them off. And I'm going to take them all apart. I'm doing the diffs over the shocks. You know, I got nothing but time on my hands now. Even though I'm still working. These bastards still got us working. So, I'm just take this time off because I'm not racing. To just rebuild everything. You know, bearings, everything. Alright? Now, let me say this. Because I know somebody going to ask, say, why you don't use silicone spray? Because I got too much WD-40. I never had a problem with WD-40. I've been using it for years. And, I mean, nothing wrong with silicone spray. It's nothing. It's really nothing. But it's just, you know, you can't teach your old dog new tricks. Never had a problem with it. I'm good. You know what I mean? I ain't got to be like everybody else. This never did me dirty. I'm going to keep rocking. You know what I mean? Plus, I got this thing. Yo, when I tell you I get it by the gallons, I got tons of it. So, I'm good. You know what I mean? Because I know somebody going to say, why don't you use silicone spray? All right, people. So, I just wanted to show you that. Sprayer works. No problems. Good to go. All right. I hope everybody being safe. And y'all good. Family's good. All right, peoples. It's your man, Rajay 111. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.